If you've misplaced a Joy-Con or a controller around the house, don't worry. Your Switch has a built-in way to find out as long as the controller still has some battery and is nearby. This method usually works. Here's how to do it. On your Nintendo Switch, press the home button to open the main menu. Look for the controller's icon at the bottom. It looks like a Joy-Con. Open it with the touchpad. Now, on the right side of the screen, choose Find Controllers. This will show all controllers that have been paired with your system before. Since we don't have our controller with us, we will use the touchscreen to highlight the missing controller. Press and hold on your missing controller's icon. Whether it's the right one or the left one, if it's nearby and still has battery, it will vibrate, helping you locate it. Walk around the room while holding it to listen or feel for the vibration. But what if it doesn't vibrate? In that case, your Joy-Con may be out of battery or too far away. Try retracing where you last used it, or check couch cushions, bags, or between furnitures. Joy-Cons have a weaker vibration, so it's harder to locate them, but the Nintendo controller has a very strong vibration, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. Well, anyway, that's how you can find a missing Nintendo Switch controller or Joy-Con. If this video helped you out, then leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more Nintendo tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.